The Fast and Furious franchise is one of the highest-grossing movie series, and its stars have built impressive fortunes. Today, we're counting down the top 20 richest actors, uncovering the star whose wealth blows the competition out of the water. Number 20. Chris Ludacris Bridges. Starting off the list is Chris Ludacris Bridges, whose portrayal of Tej Parker brought a mix of humor, brains, and street smarts to the franchise. Known primarily as a rapper, Ludacris has amassed his wealth from music, acting, and his business ventures. With a net worth of $30 million, his success in the Fast and Furious films, combined with his musical career, makes him a force to be reckoned with. He has also invested in technology and entrepreneurship, which has expanded his wealth beyond entertainment. Number 19. Tyrese Gibson. Tyrese Gibson, who plays Roman Pierce, has enjoyed success in both acting and music, with a net worth of $50 million. Aside from his iconic role in the Fast and Furious series, Tyrese has appeared in Transformers and other films, earning him substantial income. He also enjoys a successful R&B music career, selling millions of albums. His personal brand and endorsement deals further boost his earnings, making him one of the richest actors in the franchise. Number 18. Jordana Brewster. Jordana Brewster, who plays Mia Toretto, has built a fortune of $70 million. While her role in the Fast and Furious franchise made her a household name, Brewster has also starred in numerous other films and TV shows. She's been involved in real estate investments and has landed endorsement deals that have helped grow her wealth. With her talent both on screen and in business, Brewster continues to solidify her financial success. Number 17. Nathalie Emmanuel. Nathalie Emmanuel, known for her role as Ramsey, a brilliant hacker in the Fast and Furious films, has accumulated a net worth of $80 million. Beyond Fast and Furious, Emmanuel gained recognition in Game of Thrones as Missandei, where she built a massive fan following. Her wealth is also bolstered by her work in TV shows, modeling, and endorsements. The success of Fast and Furious has undoubtedly added millions to her growing fortune. Number 16. Sung Kang. Sung Kang, who portrays Han Lu in the Fast and Furious franchise, has earned an impressive $95 million. While Han's popularity with fans has made him a beloved character, Kang's career spans over multiple films, TV shows, and business ventures. His passion for cars has led to collaborations in the automotive industry, including owning his own shop and working with custom car brands, which has contributed to his wealth. Number 15. Gal Gadot. Gal Gadot, who plays Giselle Yashar, is undoubtedly one of the most successful actors to emerge from the Fast and Furious series. With a net worth of $100 million, Gadot has leveraged her role in the franchise into a career as one of Hollywood's highest-paid actresses. Beyond acting, Gadot has starred as Wonder Woman in the DC Universe, making major earnings from her solo films and collaborations. Her success in Hollywood is complemented by lucrative endorsement deals and business ventures, further cementing her financial success. Number 14. Michelle Rodriguez. Michelle Rodriguez, the tough and tenacious Letty Ortiz, has built a fortune of $120 million over her career. From her breakout role in The Fast and the Furious to appearances in blockbuster films like Avatar, Rodriguez has become a Hollywood icon. Beyond acting, she has secured endorsement deals and investments in various industries. Her role in the Fast and Furious franchise continues to be a key driver of her financial success. Number 13. Paul Walker, posthumously. The late Paul Walker, who portrayed Brian O'Connor, tragically passed away in 2013, but remains one of the richest actors in the Fast and Furious franchise with an estimated net worth of $125 million. Walker's legacy continues through his film royalties and his philanthropic efforts. His brand is still very much alive, especially through his charity, Reach Out Worldwide, and posthumous movie royalties that keep his wealth flowing. Number 12. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson is a global superstar and one of the wealthiest actors in Hollywood, with a net worth of $200 million. Joining the Fast and Furious franchise in Fast 5, Johnson brought a new level of action to the films, and his role as Luke Hobbs helped make the franchise even bigger. In addition to his acting career, The Rock is a successful producer, entrepreneur, and social media influencer, securing massive endorsement deals with brands like Under Armour and his own tequila brand, Teremana. Number 11. Vin Diesel. Vin Diesel, the face of the Fast and Furious franchise, has accumulated a net worth of $225 million. As the lead actor and producer of the series, Diesel's wealth stems from both his role in the franchise and his investments in various media projects. Diesel has also earned a fortune through his voice acting in the Guardians of the Galaxy films and other projects. His influence in Hollywood is undeniable, and he continues to reap the financial rewards of his success. Number 10. Jason Statham. Jason Statham, who joined the Fast and Furious franchise as Deckard Shaw, has amassed a net worth of $230 million. Known for his action-packed roles in The Transporter, Crank, and Expendables, Statham's career skyrocketed, bringing him major earnings from action films and endorsements. His net worth continues to grow as his star power increases, especially with his role in the Fast and Furious spin-off Hobbs and Shaw. Number 9. Tyrese Gibson. Tyrese Gibson, who plays Roman Pierce, has seen his wealth grow to an impressive $250 million. With a successful music career, acting roles in Transformers and Fast and Furious, and endorsement deals, Tyrese has leveraged his talents in multiple ways. His investments, business ventures, and brand partnerships continue to add to his fortune, making him one of the richest actors in the franchise. Number 8. Kurt Russell. Kurt Russell, who plays the legendary Mr. Nobody, has amassed a fortune of $300 million. With a career spanning decades, Russell has starred in major hits like Escape from New York, The Thing, and Guardians of the Galaxy Vol. 2. His vast career and ongoing work in the Fast and Furious series have kept his net worth steadily growing. Russell's wealth is also attributed to his successful business ventures and investments in the entertainment industry. Number 7. Charlize Theron. Charlize Theron, who plays the villainous Cipher in Fast and Furious, has a staggering net worth of $350 million. Theron's success spans beyond the franchise thanks to her roles in Mad Max, Fury Road, Atomic Blonde, and her production company, which creates and finances major projects. Her smart investments in real estate and other ventures, along with high-paying endorsements, have contributed significantly to her financial standing. Number 6. Helen Mirren. Helen Mirren, who joined the Fast and Furious franchise as Magdalene Shaw, boasts an impressive net worth of $400 million. With a career spanning over 5 decades, Mirren's wealth comes from her acting roles in prestigious films like The Queen and Red. Her ability to seamlessly transition from Shakespearean roles to action-packed films like Fast and Furious has only expanded her range and wealth. Number 5. Jason Momoa. Jason Momoa, who joined the Fast and Furious franchise as Dante Reyes, is a powerhouse with a net worth of $500 million. Known for his roles in Aquaman and Game of Thrones, Momoa's popularity skyrocketed, turning him into one of Hollywood's top earners. His ventures into production, endorsement deals, and partnerships with brands like Ford have contributed to his vast fortune. Number 4. Mark Wahlberg. Mark Wahlberg, who starred in Fast and Furious with a cameo, has built a $600 million fortune. From his early career as a rapper to becoming one of Hollywood's top actors and producers, Wahlberg's diversified income streams have made him incredibly wealthy. His successful businesses, including the Wahlburgers chain and his investment in various entertainment projects, have helped him amass such incredible wealth. Number 3. Robert Downey Jr. Robert Downey Jr. has earned a staggering $850 million, a fortune that includes his iconic role as Tony Stark in the Marvel Cinematic Universe and his appearances in the Fast and Furious franchise. His earnings have been further boosted by his work in film production, business ventures, and massive endorsement deals. Downey Jr.'s rise from troubled actor to Hollywood mogul makes his fortune even more remarkable. Number 2. Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise, one of the biggest stars in Hollywood, has a net worth of over $1 billion. Known for his roles in Mission Impossible and his appearances in Fast and Furious, Cruise's wealth comes from his prolific acting career and his role as a producer in numerous films. With his successful career spanning decades, his fortune continues to grow through film production deals and ventures into space tourism. Number 1. Vin Diesel. Taking the top spot is none other than Vin Diesel, with an astounding net worth of $2 billion. As the driving force behind the Fast and Furious franchise, Diesel's wealth has been built on not just acting, but also producing and investing in the franchise. Diesel's involvement in various media and entertainment ventures, along with his status as a global icon, has made him the wealthiest actor in the Fast and Furious universe. From action legends to superstars, these Fast and Furious actors have turned their passion into massive fortunes. Who would have thought fast cars and stunts could lead to such staggering wealth? Let us know which actor surprised you the most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.